Now watch closely how to recover lost files in HideU Calculator Locker. Now to recover lost files in HideU Calculator Locker, what you do is just click on this settings icon here. Now here, click on this recover lost files here and click on it like this. Now here, click on this icon to start recovering the lost file here. Now wait for it to recover lost files. As you can see, it is searching for the lost files. And wait for it. This might take long time. As you can see, because I have not yet have a lost file, because of it, I didn't have any files to recover. So you can try this on your device and tell me how it works. Always remember this focuses on HideU Calculator files, like the files you uploaded in HideU Calculator Locker. This focuses on it like video, documents, notes, or even photos you uploaded in HideU Calculator. This work on it in order for you to recover it. Now, so after recovering it, what you do is just click on this OK icon here. You see it. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Thank you for watching most of all. See you on the next video. Peace.